Hello everyone, my name is Viral, and this is the place where I share my travel experiences. Thank you for visiting my channel. Thank you for watching this video. Please be sure to press that like button down there. Please like, share, subscribe, and support me, encourage me, and help me. I love to travel. I do it every month. I may ride, I may drive, I may take the public transport. I may do it overnight, I may do it like immediate, but I make sure I do it. So this video is one such experience. On a Saturday, 30th of January 2020, me and my friends, free soul riders, we decided to do a bike ride to Myanmar Gate, which is in Igatpuri. So Myanmar Gate is, I don't have the right word for it. It is extravagant. It is it is insane. It is beautiful, but it is just an entrance to Dhammagiri, which is a Buddhist institute. So we are not allowed to go inside the institute, but yes, I did manage to see a lot and I did manage to enjoy a lot. One screw up was I forgot the memory card of my action camera at home. So, yes, there are no videos of the route, but I have tried to get a lot of content of our destination, which is Myanmar Gate in Igatpuri. Keep watching, and again, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you. So, this is the Ambema temple near my house, and this is where I start every journey. It is 6:05 a.m. on 30th January 2021. Here we go, guys. This is the beautiful, beautiful, beautiful Dhammagiri. This is the entrance. Let me take you through one by one. See here, it is written Dhammagiri, and right besides it is the beautiful Myanmar gate. See how beautiful this is? It is insane. So it is a Vipassana International Academy, Dhamma Tapovana, and Vipassana Research Institute. So this is the entrance. This is the entrance where we have parked our bikes. Let me show you the bikes. Here they are. And here is the beautiful, elegant Myanmar gate. Taken the permission to video shoot a little bit. So let me take you inside. Let's walk inside because this is not something I can explain in words. Let me show this beautiful dome inside. It is so insane. Isn't that just gorgeous? So this gate is grand. It is grand. You can see the architecture. You can see the beautiful designs all around, and you can see the mountains covering this Dhammagiri ashram. It's beautiful. So this is how the Myanmar gate looks from inside, from within the compound. This is the visitors area. So the, there is nothing because of the pandemic today, but yes, this is the welcome area for visitors. Let's go inside and let's see. Let's see. So just like the Myanmar gate, the inside of Dhammagiri, this is the visitors hall. Let me take you through the architecture. Look at this. Everything is so finely handcrafted. It is. You can feel the peace. You can feel the divinity here. I'm in love with this pillar, so let me show this again. I have come ahead. This is a garden. I am not sure what it is, but it is amazing. You can see the sprays on, and it has a beautiful feel to it. Let's go ahead. Let's see what it is. The garden I just showed you is called Buddha Park. No doubt it is so peaceful. Buddha always taught peace. See, this is where we were before. So, taking a stroll inside Dhammagiri. I would say again that I have taken the permission to video record this. All trees, all nature. Okay, these are my fellow bikers. He is Kamlesh Bhai, and that is Swapnil Bhai with Mandar Bhai, and we have all come on our bikes to Dhammagiri. And if you can see the exit, exit of the park, you can see how grand the exit of the park is, how beautiful it is. So yeah, let's go out of the park. Okay, so we are not allowed to go inside, no more from here. So I will call it a day. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.